Hello, I'm Troy Bockelmann with the CattleFax Closing Bell. This episode of the Closing Bell is sponsored by Prime Pursuits. Powered by a dynamic new partnership between 44 Farms and Walmart, the world's largest retailer, Prime Pursuits is designed to respond to growing consumer demands for quality Angus beef. Learn more today at www.primepursuits.com to see how we can grow stronger together. With an increase of 1.8 billion pounds of beef, pork, and poultry expected to be produced in 2019, moving this product to the global marketplace is important to alleviate the pressure on domestic prices. In the first 4 months of the year, broiler exports are down 1%, or 26 million pounds below a year ago. Increased shipments to Mexico are being offset by declining shipments to Canada, Angola, Cuba, and the Greater China region. While the U.S. does not currently have direct access to China, as African swine fever continues to spread through China, broiler exports could find support in the second half of the year. Beef exports have underperformed relative to expectations so far this year, now down 4.5% after 3 years of double-digit increases. South Korea was the main driver in the increase in beef and pork exports a year ago, with nearly 40% growth in both products to this Asian market last year. South Korea is currently up 12% as growth has slowed, and another usually strong market, Japan, is showing a 4% decline as the trade deal between Australia and Japan has been supported by increased slaughter down under. Large slaughter levels in Canada has been met with decreased beef shipments north and increased beef imports from Canada. Mexico continues to be a strong beef export partner, up 7% through April, yet the main driver in the decrease in exports has been Hong Kong, down 44% year to date. Current expectations are for both U.S. beef imports and exports to be steady with year-ago levels. Pork exports are down 4.5% through April, but with China battling African swine fever, the potential for pork exports to finish the year up 10% or more is likely. Demand has held together for the domestic market to be able to absorb the additional product. Yet the increased domestic supplies add risk to the market. It'll be important to continue to watch exports per protein as well as in total to determine the available supplies on the U.S. market, as supply and demand will determine the underlying prices. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the volatility is extreme, the risks are big, but the opportunities for success are there. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 50 years, CattleFax has led the way. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information. Equipped with the industry's most powerful database, our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, our focus is you. We provide a direct line of contact with you, our client, to the CattleFax team with our daily updated website, modernized mobile app, or the traditional phone conversation. CattleFax, the deciding factor. Become a member at CattleFax.com.